Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about an exciting and rapidly growing field called bioinformatics. Bioinformatics is a combination of biology, computer science and information technology. It helps scientists store, analyze and understand biological data in a faster and more accurate way. In today's modern world, huge amount of biological information are generated every day. Because of this, bioinformatics has become one of the most important fields in science and medicine. So let us begin our journey into the world of bioinformatics. First of all, let us understand what is bioinformatics actually means. Bioinformatics is the use of computers, softwares, databases and computational tools to study biological information. It helps scientists analyze DNA, RNA, proteins, genes and genomes more efficiently. In simple words, bioinformatics combines biology with computer technology to solve biological problems. It allows researchers to process large amounts of genetic data quickly and accurately. Now let us discuss the importance of bioinformatics. Bioinformatics data is increasing every day because of modern research and sequencing technologies. Scientists need advanced computational tools to organize, store, and analyze this huge amount of information. Bioinformatics plays a major role in disease research, medicine development, agriculture, environmental studies, and genetic analysis. Without bioinformatics, analyzing such large biological data would be a very difficult and time-consuming. Bioinformatics has many important applications in science and medicines. Some major areas include genomics, proteomics, phylogenetics, molecular biology, and personalized medicines. It is used in identifying disease-causing genes, developing medicines, studying evolution, improving crops, and understanding genetic disorders. Today, bioinformatics is helping researchers make faster scientific discoveries. Now let us understand the genomics. Genomics is the study to complete genetic material or genome of an organism. Bioinformatics tool help scientists compare genes, identifying the mutations and understand the genetic diseases. Through genomics, researchers can study how genes function and how they affect the health and diseases. Genomics is one of the most important area of modern biotechnology and medical research. One of the most important part of bioinformatics is sequence analysis. In sequence analysis, scientists compare DNA and protein sequences to identify the similarities and differences between the organisms. And it helps researchers identify genes, to study evolutions, and to detect the mutations and understand the relationships between the species. Sequence analysis is widely used in genetics, medicines, and molecular biology research. Many software tools and databases are used in bioinformatics, and some popular bioinformatics tools include NCBI, BLAST, Phytosome, Clustal Omega, and Mega Software. These tools help scientists to search genetic sequences, to compare DNA and RNA proteins, perform sequence alignments, and analyze evolutionary relationships. Bioinformatics tools make research faster, easier, and more accurate. Bioinformatics plays a very important role in modern medicines and healthcare, and it helps scientists identify disease-causing genes and develop new medicines and treatments. Bioinformatics is also used in cancer research, vaccine development, personalized medicines, and drug discovery. Today, many healthcare technologies depend on bioinformatics for better diagnosis and treatment. The future of bioinformatics is very bright and promising, and modern technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data are making bioinformatics more advanced and powerful. Bioinformatics experts are needed in research institutes, pharmaceutical industries, biotechnology companies, healthcare sectors, and agriculture research organizations. And in upcoming years, bioinformatics will continue to play a major role in scientific innovations. So, in conclusion, bioinformatics is an exciting field that combines biology and technology, and it helps scientists solve complex biological problems and improve human life. And bioinformatics has become an essential part of modern science, medicines, and biotechnology. I hope this lecture helped you to understand the basics of bioinformatics in a simple and easy way. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more lectures on bioinformatics, biotechnology, genetics, and molecular biology. Thank you.